Adjusting a booked appointment. Once you have added an appointment in Shortcuts Live, you can move, resize, or reschedule the appointment, allowing you total flexibility over your appointment book. In this lesson, you'll learn how to locate an existing appointment and change the appointment details. From the appointment book, locate the appointment you want to move and click on the lighter coloured area of the appointment block. Drag the appointment and drop it in its new location. To shorten or extend the duration of the appointment, click on the darker coloured area of the appointment block. Then, drag the bottom of the block to increase or decrease its size. To reschedule an appointment to another day, go to Week View. Locate the appointment you want to move. Click on the lighter portion of the appointment block and drag and drop the appointment into the required day and time. In this lesson, you've learned how to locate an existing appointment and change the appointment details.